Presenting our new FR Hero, a next-generation revolutionary granule. He is smarter, more precise, and more powerful. He's here to save lives, to shield the environment, to extinguish the fire in time. The world's most innovative firefighter. Tosaf takes pride in expanding its FR halogenic portfolio and introducing its cutting-edge halogen-free and antimony-free FR series. Our superior series achieve high thermal stability and fast fire extinguishing, as well as minimize dripping and smoke inhalation. They ensure maximum efficiency and are suitable for recycling. The world relies on our firefighters more than ever before. As the plastics industry advances in all areas of life, our innovative fire retardants evolve alongside and are specially tailored for the variety of polymers the world needs. Harnessing 30 years of high skills in all construction market requirements, we are the global leaders of polymers for pipes and the XPS industry. For top-of-the-line car manufacturers, we created unique quality solutions, combining flame retardation with very high thermal stability. For the home, we formed the strongest compound that meets the latest flame retardant standards. We developed a wide range of solutions for the electrical and electronic industry. We offer the most precise formulations for the most sensitive applications and know how to unite FR, UV, and color into one product. Our powerful fire retardants meet the latest and most stringent regulations in Europe and North America. They are the result of extensive R&D conducted by top experts in the field, combined with the vast experience we have gained working with countless customers from all walks of life. In Tosaf's laboratories, we have our own standards center, which simulates and ensures that our products meet all aspects of international standards, and when an unexpected spark ignites, can provide a real-time response. Our global network of development centers and production sites enjoys fast and unlimited supply directly from the world's largest bromine reservoir. We operate around the clock, guaranteeing a top-tier service package that includes personalized customization and exceptional availability in over 50 countries. We take immense pride in how our small granule helps billions of people around the world feel safer in every aspect of life in the 21st century. For us, each granule is a hero.